Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing documents and opening an Upstox account. Have PAN Aadhaar, a bank account, and clear scans ready. This speeds verification. Once you download the app or go to the web portal, select your trading plus demat option and begin KYC. Enter your details, complete OTP flows, and e-sign the forms. Make sure to link your bank via UPI or net banking for instant fund transfers. This initial setup unlocks trading. Keep your phone close for OTPs. Once your account is active, fund it to place orders. You can use UPI, IMPS, or the linked bank for instant credit. Confirm the balance on the app. Next, research the stock. Type the ticker, scan intraday charts, volume spikes, and fundamentals. Read latest news to understand catalysts. Then decide order type, market for immediate fills, limit to control price, stop loss for protection, and set the quantity based on buying power and risk. Double-check values before you submit. You now place the order and complete the purchase. Review the order preview carefully. Brokerage, GST, and total debit will display. Confirm and hit buy. Once submitted, watch order status, filled, partial, or pending. If you want recurring buys, use GTT or scheduled SIP features. If something goes wrong, a failed order or payment, make sure funds cleared, KYC is verified, and net banking or UPI was successful. If not, contact Upstox support with your order ID for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.